Good day. In this video, I will show you the vertical translation and horizontal translation of quadratic graphs. What I prepared here is a parabola. We know that the parabola, this parabola whose vertex is at 0, 0, is the graph of this equation, y is equal to x squared. The vertical translation happens when you add k units to the equation or subtract k units to the equation. Adding k units will move the parabola up k units, and subtracting will shift the parabola k units from the x-axis. Okay? So to show you that, I'm going to use this slider. Moving it to the right will add k units, and moving this slider to the left will shift the parabola or will subtract k units from the equation. Okay? So let's move the parabola up 1 unit. Okay? That adds 1 unit to the equation. Now let us move the slider to 2. It will add 2 units to the equation and will move the parabola up 2 units from the horizontal axis. Now let us slide the slider to the left. Okay? Let's slide it 2 units to the left. It will subtract 2 units to the equation, and it will shift the parabola down 2 units from the x-axis. Again. Okay. So this time 3 units was subtracted to the equation, and the parabola was shifted 3 units from the x-axis. Okay. So let us now put this back to the original position. Okay. Our original parabola where the vertex is at 0, 0. Okay, so this time I'm going to show you the horizontal translation. The horizontal translation is somewhat tricky. If I move this slider to the right, the parabola will move to the right, but instead of adding k units or h units rather, h units, you are subtracting. Okay, again, moving this slider, I will subtract h units to the variable of our equation. The parabola will go to the right, will be shifted to the right. And moving the slider to the left, you are going to add h units to the equation, to the variable, sorry, and the parabola will be shifted to the left. Okay? Now, if you are confused, just remember this one. If you add h units, the parabola will be shifted to the left. Okay? And if you subtract h units, the parabola will be shifted to the right. Okay? So moving this slider is going to subtract h units to the variable, but that will move it will shift the parabola to the right. Okay, so let us now move the slider to the left. So as you can see, this time h units is added to the variable and the parabola is shifted to the left. Okay, so those are the two translation or transformation of quadratic graphs. That will be all. Thank you.